Good morning from Bellinzona. Guys, man, oh, that's a beautiful way, man. There's a little window in the roof. Let me show you. There's a window, guys, I can look out. Yeah, guys, woke up very tired. Still very tired, but you know, we had a visitor. We didn't video, but we'll show you guys who came to visit us very soon. So yeah, guys, Alicia is upstairs. Yeah, we got this room, this hotel, very nice and cute hotel. Got 2 bathrooms, so I use this bathroom downstairs to do, you know, a little morning routine, you know, lighten up myself. But yeah, guys, nice little room. Let's go upstairs, see what Alicia is doing. So Alicia is in the shower, and yeah, guys, today we're gonna go check out the castle, check out the, I don't think this door can open. Yeah, guys, this place is beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna do some touristy stuff today. Check out the castle, check out a few things, and yeah, let's see what's up. Mrs. Powell.
No, Mrs. Powell, after you live downstairs.
What's up? See, this have a move downstairs, okay?
We're going on vacation, not vacation, workation, and he lives downstairs.
Man, guys, we literally got out the train and just walked right across the street to the hotel. Oops, there's a train station, guys. And we just walk right across the street to our room. Woman said I move out.
Yeah, he came, brought my stuff upstairs and kept his downstairs.
Whatever, man. Babe, I couldn't carry both bags upstairs, so I just left one bag.
You just have one to carry downstairs.
Guys, because I brought her bag upstairs and I left my bag downstairs, she's saying that I move out. Whatever, man. Whatever. I can't. The bags them heavy. I could only carry one. But we slept in the same bed though. Ooh, it's not.
Glasses. I have my glasses in.
We'll get it later. You guys are walking down to the other hotel to get some food. The weather is nice. Yo, this is what I need Jamaica to feel like.
It's nice, but it still has like a cool breeze.
Yeah, nice, but nice vibe.
To Bellinzona. You don't need to come to the clinic now. He's like,
no, yeah.
Come help me.
Yeah, guys, we're going to the castle. Yeah. So you want to say that's so cool? Mm-hmm. Nifty. Do you want to buy a castle?
Not really.
Hmm?
No.
You can't buy a castle and live in a castle.
No, I don't think I want to live in a castle. No thanks.
Too much souls.
Yep, no thanks. It's the last place I want to be.
I have a restaurant in this one.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
This game is the wrong time.
Hmm?
It's like I'm doing weight. With the wine, the bottles of wine. It's like I'm doing weight. You know what this reminds me of? You know now they're making this one. I wonder what's going on over here. Probably some more apartments. That one's so weird. It's a nice
There goes.
castle.
Yeah. Nice castle, yeah. Beautiful little hangout spot.
This is nice. It's a nice, like, something to do.
Alicia
Nice
got fancy bag,
view.
guys. We got a gift. I didn't get a gift, but it's alright. It's all
Because,
good.
you know, I'm new and they're all used to you.
They're used to me. I mean,
You're
I don't want nobody to use
You're
to me.
the famous person, famous face. So that's why.
The wife get the bag. Fancy bag too, you know. Custom made.
It's actually made out of recycled items.
Man.
It's like really good quality though.
Now take a dip.
Guys, you can come here and have a date. Like a cute little picnic date.
Like what we have it now?
Well, it looks like I'm ready, you know, because she already gifted me some wine. Just need to go get some cute little sandwiches.
Alright guys, we did that castle and we're walking back to our hotel, but we're gonna grab some food on the way back. And then I'm gonna stop by at the pole vaulting competition, then we'll continue with our tourist life. No, I don't think I'm gonna. Pole vault competition was cool, but until Alicia could get a bit.
I almost was on the verge of tears, guys. I actually really feel like my toe is either broken or it's a really serious like stress fracture. So I need to get it checked out. It doesn't matter what type of shoe I wear, as long as it's closed toe, it hurts. Even in these slippers, they hurt, but it's not as bad. So I was miserable. I actually was about to cry.
Tears.
My own heartbeat.
No drinks yet?
Huh?
No drinks yet?
I'm still gonna come up for the ice cream.
Okay.
Yeah, I need some. Paul, we need somewhere to look at her too.
I'll look at it.
That's with the ice.
See it.
That's it too.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
See
Hey, this looks girly.
Thank you.
Is she appropriate?
Yeah?
Thank you.
Drink your wine. Cheers. It's about that time, guys. About to go to bed. It's like 5 o'clock in Jamaica now, but it's late here. We're trying to stay up closer to the time that we would go to bed in Jamaica, but it's kind of difficult. Mama almost sleeping. It's kind of difficult, but we're holding it, guys. Trying to beat the jet lag.
She just gave me fries. She couldn't bother. You asked for fries, and I said I would try the
We just at lunch.
belly's full. I
Real.
stuffed my belly.
It was a real nice lunch.
Yeah, that was cool. The stone, if you want it well done, the stone cooks it well done. But obviously, guess who the real chef? I had it figured out already.
Me.
So I had to.
Me.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Please.
guys. So we came back to the castle. The restaurant at the castle is really nice, and you know the manager of the castle was actually at our hotel, and they made the arrangements. So you know it was a nice vibe.
Actually, it was
They,
worth it.
they recommended for us to take this walk by the castle, and we are
Burn
going
off
to check
the
it out.
calories
Yeah.
that we just had.
We're going to check it out right now.
One thing about these castles, the staircase. Oof.
It's a good walk.
Hi.
Tiring.
Black people must
Yeah, don't you have to look dark, brother? Look risky. Right? Don't you have to look risky, man. Some people don't know. Yeah, some don't you have to look like some madness, man. You sure?
I'm questioning this, and he's like, you're just walking.
Some people don't know why. Let's see.
Black people don't know faces on YouTube.
You should just start a live video. Man.
First of all, how are you even walking down there with your shades on?
Take off my glasses. Let me go my house with my shoes.
Your shades.
The shades? Let me take it off. You know, don't have to risky for real though.
So I don't think this is how we get to the outside part. I don't think this is how we get to
So you don't want to, even want to see what's down there?
Not really, because if anything happens, you can run faster than me. And I have a fractured toe.
A fractured toe?
You would be gone.
I see some older people down there and I don't think they can run as fast as me.
Yeah, but you're Obroni. What are you?
Oh. Yeah, so we decided not to go all the way down there, guys. It don't look right. Even though we saw some people going down there. When I really think about it, I don't know if it's worth it. Yeah, we need to go through that gate up there,
Can you
right?
imagine if we went all the way down there?
Did we go through that gate yesterday?
No.
Yeah, we need to go through that gate up
Can you
there.
imagine walking back from there?
Ted?
Yes, I am. Going. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. I'm tired. No. Oh my god. My booty hurts. Don't fall, you know. Do not fall down.
Yeah, man. See you right there.
I get the extra.
See you right there.
Extra meat, and you're trying to put me underground. I'm sure something cool is under there.
Yeah, under there is under the same road. It's the same road. It's just that if I guess if you can't climb up them steps. Some grapes. Grapes over there. Oh shoot, it got all the way out to the end.
Oh wow.
That's serious one.
We're literally at the halfway point.
For the record, guys, I don't really like to walk.
This is so. I didn't think it would be like this.
Hmm?
I didn't think.
You didn't think it would be a serious walk?
Like this.
It's a serious walk, this one.
And we can't. Like we're literally halfway.
Mm-hmm. Never no sense to turn back. Let's go to the end and say we experience it.
Oh, good.
It was a good walk.
Wow.
Time, make a time lapse this walk, that walk, yeah. Oh, so if we went under the tunnel, we would have came out here. But some people were scared.
No, I'm not going.
Some people were scared. You want to walk back under the tunnel when you're going back?
Huh?
You want to walk on the tunnel when we're going back to avoid the sun?
Not really.
Alright guys, the walk goes all the way down there, but it seems like we can exit. Yeah, it seems like we can exit here, so and enter back on the main road. We'll go back to the hotel. Yeah? Should be able to. Yeah, that's definitely not the way out. So we can. You want to turn back now?
Huh?
You want to turn back now? Not enough?
I mean, yeah.
Hmm?
I want to get out.
Like I say, if you want to avoid the sun, we have to walk underneath the thing. We have to just tough it out and walk underneath. Under there look cool.
White side you having you coming out, you know?
No, sir. That's not my. It don't look stupid. It came out that life. And I'm in way better shape. Guys, the look of food that I just had. I'm walking and exercising and burning the food out my body already. I couldn't keep the food in my body look a bit longer.
Man.
And let it out other ways.
But why is it so dark though?
Because there's no light. You feel the breeze coming from right there? Feel
Yeah.
cool?
Oh, Jesus.
You want to test it out?
Guys, anything happens to me, this is not my idea. I was really against this. Pray for us.
See the light, there are lights, there are lights. I will put there are no turns though. Guys, if you're watching this video, that means I will make it out.
Lord, wait.
If you're seeing this video, we made it.
Oh my goodness.
If this video don't post, we didn't make it.
This is supposed to be a romantic walk or something?
Yeah, supposed.
Absolutely.
This is a walk you do with the kids to get them tired.
My armpit
To let them go
is sweaty.
sleep.
My breast is sweaty.
Knees weak, arms are heavy. His vomit on his sweater. Mom's spaghetti.
What?
He keeps on forgetting what he wrote down.
Oh my God. I was a hot girl. Now I'm actually
Hot.
sweaty.
Actually, real hot. So we're going back to the hotel. They're supposed to arrange some wine tasting for us. You know, Alicia love wine. So I like to dine. She like to wine.
Prosecco.
Oh,
Oh, my favorite. I thought Paul would have been here. Oh, wow.
nice.
She wish you could just take all of these home. I wish I could. Oh, so is it rosé?
Let me video your back. Ooh. Building all night. Wine tasting was a success. It was good. We got free wine.
It was really good. Oh God.
Yeah.
Everybody here is a wine connoisseur, so I need to clearly move here now, right?
Feels good to be you. Just get freeness.
Feels good to be you.
Just get freeness everywhere you get freeness.
You feels good to be you. I'm
She just keep getting
I'm
freeness.
the plus one, you know. That's it. I am.
She getting all the freeness.
No, that was not for me. It's for you. Then
Are you?
everybody keeps coming up to him and saying, "I saw for Powell. I watched you growing up."
But watch me growing up. You're trying to age me. Trying to age me, aren't you?
I remember watching you growing up in 2004.
Trying to age me. Very nice. Very nice. You locked me out of the room, guys. You locked me out. It's all good. Very nice. Very nice. Go and pee. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Il grande, il grandissimo Asafa Powell. Non siete timidi? Se andate da loro, volete dei selfie, eccetera, approfittatene. I just said to them, if they want to do some selfies, it's fine, so don't get upset. Io adesso vi dico veloce il programma verso le...
You are one of the greatest sprinters of all time, but for sure you're the most empathic one. You are gentlemen. L'ultima volta direttamente nel mercato di Bellinzona, il nuovo socio onorario Asafa Powells!
What are you gonna do with that? What are you gonna do with it?
We're gonna drink this. Yeah, you will drink this later, right? Right? You ready?
After party vibes.
You can leave it here, enjoy the meeting, and then get it. Good question.
How do you feel about the trap meet?
I feel good. Good. I'm happy for Elaine. That was a cool little experience to you know, be in the stands and like imagine that you were running and how it felt for you and the atmosphere and all of that. So it was cool, cool vibes.
Cool vibes, I like it. I just had dinner.
Even better. The wine over here, guys. Oh. It got me off.
Alright guys, just came from the trap meet and it was because you're it's like you're mesmerized by something now and
The wine.
wine over to mez. Yeah guys, we're having dinner now. Just came from the trap meet. Dinner, then I think there's some after party, I'm not sure.
We'll see how this goes.
But tomorrow we're going to another side of Europe tomorrow morning early, so we don't want to miss that flight. So we really have to know what time we're going to bed. Yeah, what time everything. Then last night I didn't realize this roof could open. Didn't realize. But yeah guys, it's a vibe. Alicia is mesmerized by the wine.
I'm not saying anything because when I was talking, he just took the camera off me. Oh, and congrats to Natoya. She ran season best and meet record, so that was also dope to watch.
Tapping.
Yeah.
I'll get used to that last name. Alright guys, so see you guys in Brussels. Going to Brussels tomorrow. So we'll see you guys in Brussels.